Hello, I'm your trainer Lindsay with the Smart Foldable Cardio Stair Climber by Sunny Health and Fitness, your all-in-one solution for heart-pumping cardio, muscle sculpting strength, and space-saving convenience. With its sleek, foldable design, you can crush your workout, then tuck it neatly away. By using your own body weight as resistance, it creates a natural stepping motion that mimics climbing stairs, but without the impact. Unlike running or jumping, the climber's smooth stepping motion reduces stress on knees, hips, and ankles, making it ideal for users of all fitness levels. With a 9.8 inch to 24.8 inch of vertical travel and 21.5 inch stride, you control the intensity. Whether you're taking shorter steps for endurance or powering through higher climbs for strength, your legs set the effort while starting position stays steady. No preset resistance means that your core naturally engages to keep you stable. 3 adjustable handlebar positions let you find your ideal grip and posture for a comfortable workout experience. Whether you're tall, petite, or somewhere in between, you'll enjoy steady support and ergonomic comfort. Stay motivated with the easy-read LCD display that tracks time, step rate, and calories. Monitor your progress without breaking rhythm. Built with a heavy-duty triangular frame that supports up to 330 pounds, this climber delivers stability and confidence from warm-ups to long sessions. Shift the muscle focus with the tilt-adjustable foot plates that let you target calves, quads, or glutes, so your workouts stay fresh and versatile. Best of all, this climber comes in 3 colors: gray, white, and pink. Pair your climber with the SunnyFit app for guided workouts, scenic routes, real-time metrics, and AI adaptive plans that adjust to your progress. It's like having a personal trainer who evolves with you. Now, it's time to test our equipment. Make sure to insert the metal pin to secure the unit. Hold on to the rails while placing one foot on the pedal and the other foot on the other pedal. Start moving smoothly and consistently as you brace your core while holding onto the handlebar. Try cross-training with shorter strides and longer strides. Use quick steps as a warm-up, or to improve endurance, use longer strides for more leg muscle activation. Increase your pace to increase your caloric burn, or take slower, more controlled strides to practice technique and form. Compact and convenient, the climber folds quickly for storage, making it perfect for apartments, shared spaces, or small home gyms. Simply pull out the metal pin from the frame and lift it up from the handle. Store it upright against a wall or underneath your bed or desk. The Smart Foldable Cardio Stair Climber is more than a machine. It's a complete fitness solution. You'll boost cardiovascular health, sculpt muscles, and enjoy guided training, all in a design that fits your lifestyle. Strong, smart, and space-saving, this climber is ready to help you rise to every challenge. Sunny Health and Fitness delivers premium equipment with a commitment to quality. Backed by US-based support and certified trainers, we offer a truly unmatched fit-for-everyone experience. We stand behind the quality of our products, which is why we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Our customer service team is eager to hear from you, so please reach out to us if you have any questions.